Hey Bronco fanatics, Keith with the Rising Phoenix Bronco, and yes, we are looking at a Mustang 2011 seat upside down, and we need to make it go over there. So we got our two holes up front. Those are these two holes here. These other holes are where these are Corbeau brackets, and they come with sliders. Took them off because I don't need them. Nothing wrong, good quality stuff. But what we have to do is we have to get this Mustang seat to work, and there's a reason why there are wooden dowels in here is because these brackets here, which do the height adjustment, will hit if we don't raise this up about 1/4 of an inch. And so we still are going to have to sand, grind down just a hair here to get it to go in. But the other thing we have to do is we have to cut this guy off here at 16.5 inches from up here. Otherwise, when you're sliding backwards, you'll slam into the bulkhead. And then we're going to put a little bit, just a cap, to make this mechanism down here hit. So that's the plan. We've got it all powered up. It, slides back and forth. Everything's cool. But the other thing is when these things are both fully retracted going down, we will have a low of a Bronco seat as we can get under, these situations and keep us low so that the windshield is not a problem. So that's the plan. Welder comes over tomorrow, he says, and we will put this all together, and we'll send you a video with hopefully both seats installed. Thanks for watching, everybody.